Hi, I'm Vanetta from The Handyman's Daughter, and I'd like to introduce you to my tiny, dated half bath. It's built into a 6-foot square dormer on the second floor of our home, and it's the bathroom our friends and family use when they stay in the guest room behind me. It's not exactly the most welcoming space, and I'm planning to give it a whole new look in just 6 weeks. But before I break out the sledgehammer and start smashing, let's take a look at what I'm starting with.
This triangle sink is just ridiculous. Have you ever seen one of these things before? It's so small and awkward, it's almost impossible to wash both hands at the same time. I'm really looking forward to getting rid of this thing. The mirror on the medicine cabinet is installed so low, it knocks over anything you have on the countertop when you open it. And I may be tall, but I should be able to see the top of my head in the mirror. Stare at the pattern on the wallpaper too long and you'll get dizzy, and this outlet really isn't fooling anyone. I installed these curtains from my son's old room when we realized we needed some privacy up here. That was 4 years ago, so the robots really need to go. These beige and white tiles may be boring, but they're in good shape. I've got a plan to give them a whole new look.
As you can see, I've got a lot of work to do to make this a beautiful and functional space for our guests. But don't worry, it's nothing I can't handle. Do you want to see what I'm planning for this space? Check this out.
Here's the mood board I put together for this half bath makeover. I'll be combining graphic, modern elements with a simple color palette that I hope will make the space feel lighter and brighter. The floor will be painted white, then the stencil you see here will be painted on top. I had the stencil custom sized to the exact dimensions of the existing tile, so it will fit perfectly. I found a vanity that will fit into the same footprint as the old one, in a deep midnight blue. I'll color match the stencil paint to the vanity to tie these two elements together. And the triangle sink is gone to be replaced with a more modern and functional shape. The vanity comes with a matching mirror, so I'm going to try attaching it to the existing medicine cabinet. The horrible light fixture will be replaced, and this wall will be covered in classic white subway tile installed vertically to give the illusion that these 6.5-foot ceilings are just a little taller. And finally, I'll head down to the workshop to play with some new tools and make a wood art piece for the wall.
I'm remodeling this bathroom as part of the One Room Challenge. DIY bloggers like myself take on one room in their homes and give it a complete makeover in just 6 weeks. Last season, I remodeled my downstairs bathroom, which had over 100 square feet of tile. This bathroom should be a piece of cake, right? Fingers crossed. Anyway, I better get started. Tune in every week for an update on my progress and a quick lesson on how to tackle your own DIY home improvement projects. And as always, you can find my tips, tricks, and tutorials over on my website, thehandymansdaughter.com. See you soon!